Good morning, students. Our topic is scope of health education. Lesson number first for class 8th. Yesterday, I told you also about our topics importance of health, social health, and factors. Today, we will discuss of health education because health education has very important role in our life. Without it, we can't do anything in our life. And what is the scope of health education in today's life, and how can we make the career in health education or physical education? So let's go. First of all, before the scope of health education, we have to know about the physical education because it is a part of physical education. Physical education, I think you know very well about it. Physical education, what is physical education, or what do you mean by the physical education? Physical education is that education which gives us knowledge about the health, maybe physical health, social health, emotional health, and mental health. That is called the physical education. And there are so many definitions according to the scholars, and they have different types, session, and they also have different kinds of definitions. So शारीरिक शिक्षा वह शिक्षा है जिसके अंतर्गत व्यक्ति का शारीरिक, मानसिक, आध्यात्मिक और सामाजिक विकास होता है, वही फिजिकल एजुकेशन होती है. But again, physical education is a general part of general education that help us to be a good, perfect, healthy person, socially, emotionally, spiritually. Okay, my dear. And after it, we have to know also it. Health education is a part of general education, and before the physical education, you have to know about the general education. What is general education? General education means going to school, carry the bag, reading, writing, sitting, going and coming to school, and from school, going to school and coming from school, doing work. It is called the general education. वास्तव में विद्यालय जाना, पढ़ना, लिखना, अध्ययन करना, स्वाध्याय करना, अपने कार्य को कंप्लीट करना, होमवर्क पूरा करना, that is called the general education. And physical education is a part of general education. I think it is clear. General education, and after that physical education. Physical education is that education which give us knowledge about the physical, mental, social and emotional. That is called the physical education. It is must for everyone. If we want to success in our life, we have to increase we should be know about the health or physical education, and there are many phases of health education. And scope of health education is also a phase of physical education. So now we will discuss about scope of health education. Health education and scope of health education. So my dear, listen to me. Health education is a profession of educating people about the health. It is a profession of educating people about health. Areas within this profession encompass environmental health, physical health, social health, emotional health, intellectual health, and spiritual health. Everyone. Intellectual health and spiritual health, as well as sexual and productive health education. It is clear everything. Health education means to perform, to keep good physical health, social health, emotional health, or means keeping emotions, physical, social, and intellectual, spiritual. That is called the health education, in which we study about these important topics. So it is our duty. We have to know about the health education. It is clear? And one thing is more, health, population and environment education is important to provide them safe and clean environment. It is the contrast between them. Yes, they are interlinked and they give us a safe and neat environment in which we can do everything with our positive attitude, positive personality. I think it is clear. And the scope of health education are in home, school, and community. And they can show, and you also can show the scope of health education in home, school, and community, in society. And the scope of population are divided into many parts, as demography determines of population change, and population growth. So my dear student, you have to know scope of the physical education or health education. I think it is clear for everyone. After it, we will know about the different kinds of it. Okay, and after it, if you want to know about the pillars of scope, or it means pillars of health or scope of health. What are the pillars of scope of health? What are the pillars which are helpful in scope of health? Yes, these are, I told you, home, school, community. These are pillars where we can show ourselves. It is clear for everyone. And my dear students, now I want to tell you also that health education is a vast term, and it has wide scope because it is closely related to many other aspects. And beside the knowledge of health education, and beside the knowledge of health, and health education has three phases, which are health service, health supervision, and health instructions. I think it is clear. हेल्थ एजुकेशन वह एजुकेशन होती है जिसके माध्यम से किसी व्यक्ति का शारीरिक, मानसिक, आध्यात्मिक विकास होता है, वह फिजिकल एजुकेशन होती है। और इसके बाद आता है हेल्थ एजुकेशन। हेल्थ एजुकेशन वह होती है जिसके माध्यम से व्यक्ति अपनी शरीर अर्थात अपनी शारीरिक शक्तियों का, मानसिक शक्तियों का विकास करता है, वह हेल्थ एजुकेशन कहलाती है। और हेल्थ एजुकेशन एक ऐसा विशाल टर्म है, एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है जिसमें वह दिन ब दिन प्रतिदिन भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के कार्य करता है और भिन्न भिन्न पहलुओं पर विचार करता है, उनसे और उन पर विचार विमर्श करने के बाद भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की नॉलेज प्राप्त करता है। इसके तीन फेज होते हैं। पहला हेल्थ सर्विस, वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द हेल्थ सर्विस, health service. And second is health supervision, health supervision. And third is health instructions. Okay, my dear. So it is must for everyone. We have to know about the scope of health education, and we should also try to talk and discuss on health education. I think it is clear. Health service, which kinds of health service we have in our locality, in our society, in our nations, in our nation also. And which types of health is helpful for us, and how can we give our best, and how can be progressive in health service. We have to think about it. And next is health supervision. We have to also know about health. Maybe our family members, anyone, maybe anyone. You have to go for the supervision. Generally, we go to health care centers where we can give the suggestion and where we can perform. अर्थात ऐसे हेल्थ सुपरविजन कैसे कर सकते हैं, जैसे आपने देखा है कि हम अपने पूरे परिवार के मेंबर्स की और अन्य लोगों की भी हेल्थ सुपरविजन कर सकते हैं और अपनी भी कर सकते हैं। आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ लोग जनरली क्या होते हैं, हॉस्पिटल्स जाते हैं, हेल्थ केयर सेंटर जाते हैं, वहाँ पर भिन्न प्रकार की पॉलिसीज अप्लाई होती है उनके माध्यम से कुछ और नहीं तो साल भर में, वर्ष भर में एक बार क्या करते हैं, वो अपनी पूरी बॉडी का सुपरविजन कराते हैं। और जो फैमिली में और मेंबर होते हैं उनके भी क्या कराते हैं, सुपरविजन कराते हैं, हेल्थ चेकअप कराते हैं। दैट इज कॉल्ड द सुपरविजन। एंड थर्ड इज हेल्थ इंस्ट्रक्शंस। Being human, it is our responsibility. We have to know, we have to knowledge about our health, and we also should contact to doctor and related person, and you can go at different types of sites where you can find easily the good sign to get knowledge about your health. अर्थात हमें यदि अच्छी हेल्थ चाहिए तो हमें उसका सुपरविजन भी करना चाहिए, उसके बारे में, हेल्थ के बारे में थोड़ी नॉलेज भी रखनी चाहिए कि कौन कौन सी नॉलेज हमारे पास हो सकती है। जनरली हम डॉक्टर नहीं हैं तो हम किस प्रकार से किन किन बातों का ध्यान रख सकते हैं जो हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल हो, जिसके माध्यम से हमारी हेल्थ क्या हो, ठीक हो, ताकि क्या हो सके, जिससे हम समय समय पर अपने शरीर की जानकारी के अनुसार उसका सुपरविजन कर सकें और अच्छी हेल्थ के लिए हम अच्छी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर सकें। तो इट इज अवर ड्यूटी, तो इट वाज द स्कोप ऑफ हेल्थ एजुकेशन। आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन। और एक सबसे बड़ी बात, हम सभी को अपने आप पर विश्वास रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि कहा जाता है, पूर्वजों ने भी कहा है और बड़े बड़े ग्रंथों में देखने को मिला है कि विश्वास जो व्यक्ति अपने ऊपर नहीं करता वो कहीं भी विजय प्राप्त नहीं कर सकता। तो आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर। अब मैं सबसे अंत में आप सभी को इसको पूरा समराइज करने जा रहा हूं। सबसे पहले स्कोप ऑफ हेल्थ एजुकेशन। तो स्कोप ऑफ हेल्थ ऑफ एजुकेशन जो ये अपनी फिजिकल एजुकेशन का एक पार्ट है, और फिजिकल एजुकेशन हमारी जनरल एजुकेशन का पार्ट है। तो इन सभी को मैं समराइज करने जा रहा हूं, ध्यान सुनेंगे। फर्स्ट इज जनरल एजुकेशन। जनरल एजुकेशन मीन्स गोइंग टू स्कूल, रीडिंग, स्टडी, डूइंग होमवर्क, राइटिंग, यस, इट इज कॉल्ड द जनरल एजुकेशन। एंड after that, general education is physical education. Physical education is a part of general education, and physical means physical education is a branch of science. It is also a branch of science. Okay, so leave it and come to the main point. Physical education is that in education in which we get knowledge about socially, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. That is called the physical education. And health education. Health education is a part of physical education in which we study about the health, their its phases and different kind of facts. After that, scope of health education. So scope of health education is very vast, yes, where we can study and we can get knowledge about the health. That is called the scope of health education. And health education also has three phase, three phases. First is health service, second is health supervision, third is health instructions. Getting knowledge, supervision of health, and how can we apply on our health. That is called the health service. I think it is clear for everyone. If you have any question in your mind, you can consult me. You can ask your class teacher, you can contact me. So my dear students, at last have a nice day, and I hope about your future you will be a perfect, you will be perfect in your life. Okay, my dear student, have a nice day. Okay, thank you very much.